mayen kana enoma ekoso ewo ewiase ni efifie emu emadudo na na ehunu amanie pa o enam se ema ye de tese dudo na eni agi eyesika ewo ne bia yesika ewo de ubehunu na tese ema ye gu wonum se etu ayese once na se bi wo hu ade bie no na nyina yetu edi egu eso ne no enama enedei abaya bi ababonti di na kosem ababa betu edwa abusuafo ewo se edi se obia eti bi no obia hu bi no obia edebo eye nikotodwem no di tu anawon because se de ye mperifo eka se enye hyenhyen na ene yesika kokko no eye no kure ampapa eyie na ye maami ana ye nua ba di nensem no etu dwa na se wo kyeremu ade a wafra mu all because of sika wo hu no obema enchen enti na enunti ema no elde ne hu ne bibia hye ne nsa a no ofo se na ade nyina enu no so kuku wie eche na se enkraman yimpo ene na ye ma no ene wo mo eda a se na enye nikan so ye ade a ne ye drag no ansana ya ma no akọ eye into that state na ebusuafo ne nsam a wodi ebebetu dwa no eye post na mo me kwan na menkenkan emfa emamo osin. My husband married me for his dogs. Every lady must read this. I made a mistake marrying my husband. I let the love of money confuse me. I had a guy who was really interested in me, but I didn't give him a chance because he was still a youth couple. I don't want to start waiting for a long time. Besides, I have no idea when things will get better for him. I met my husband 2 weeks after I turned down his request. My husband has 3 cars and a big house. He would drive to my house every evening and take me out. I feel for him and said yes. We got married, but the story became different. He would not make love to me. Instead, he would get me so drunk and made me sleep. Then his dog would come over me to have sex. That happened for 2 weeks until I stopped taking the drinks. Although I didn't expect a dog sleeping with me, I would not even think about it. It was until one day he tried to get me drunk. I pretended I was. I slept off and even faked snoring. He came in and rubbed his hand over my face. Then he went out and brought his dogs. He chanted some incantation on the dogs and pushed it on me. Then I woke up and screamed. He begged me. He said he would run mad if I don't sleep with the dog. I insisted that I would never do that. He did run mad. The dog was the secret of his world. He used it to take the body fluid of women for his evil ordeal. I went to the hospital for medical checkup. The doctor said my womb has been tempered. I wept bitterly. I have been used. I let love of money destroy me. To all single ladies out there, don't be like me. If a guy is promising, give him a chance. Not all glitters is gold. Learn from my story. May God help us. We ene mami ana yenya bayi. Nen someone just said what day ever to abonting. I just want a boyfriend be a one what is a boyfriend who nim ne dache. And ya can who nim obrimpon ashasiye. When him say nipa no said the otie ene ebi ade bi baba beche ma wa baba yin pakese but ena mo say na wonni nipa no say the future ebe ye no so open na one time na say opo obi obetiti amana di ntisikani bi eba na akwamu no ena wotu edetare na numu ana chese de ware no no yin say ebra nyumra niku no one no kraman ai ene o drink honey let's have fun yeah the drink ababa pesineni wo benu ma wie no wada wa bo ya dozi no. Oh, yeah, the no good mama just say, well, feeling dizzy, what that, not to say, I beg incantation, not come mine, and then not that. Until said one day, well, yeah, I just said drinking one room. I just said, well, pretend they as a what that to that extent I just what do who sa enoma eno na no and I make a say oh I say a man to the be a prepare ye pre e wo noma bi eho enti we say I say ebia wode ye we na say enye say bia wuhunu ya anka no an say beto akoso na enam sika wunya enti no wunye like we okay enye bebe bia na obehu na wo sika na no kire say sika no ono anenya na do yenka se nyame enhwa obi manje eyema no emfa ensibone nyame ehira nyame emanipa ensa no adwuma ekoso etu empon ematese sika no mu ahye etimi bo motimi tire eye sika na hye mu edema wo nanso so nipa wo no just some few weeks no aka cho se wo waro enti so wo busa na adwuma ben na wo ye wahunu wadwedwemahunu why investigation afọ wahunu sika ekwan ofaso enya ne sika ana se de ono eka di twa to se nya de ehiri na ede sika kokon mama we enya futu ede say we abeda ne asofo burden because they say ni womb enoma asai enoma enkoye afia asofo so ede ye baba bechini na ye bebo mpa ye na asofo bechini kom ye fasting ahodo ede ama obayi all because of say what nebusa dia baba tora de meradi enye bibi emfa emma no emma yehunu na yehunu se abrabo aye bono eso obi ani se de wo bone de ekwo wo bi wo hono a wo befa kwati kwan so enedi enye ni sika na no nkyere se enu ti no wo beto wade papa bi ayede ede akune emma ye ni prisika emma ye prisika on emma ye dosika eyade e kan ye ho nanso so emma ye mfa sika embata ye ho mfa nya se enu ani ye nkwa enyina because we nipa na woni ni di ehye na nipa na woni ne ekono bia ya wonya eye ni sika efi na ye nya ba di ne nsem betu dwa dodo na aye no pa eye se wono ha ne pe ena sa wo hawe aba betu no dodo na nso hu ene se we di nya me na di no afofi ama na hunu de ekoso because nya de se wo betimi afa wo totoro to we go de nipa na aboda wo tira nya yanka wo mu nkrampo ena wo san ebe boda maka ho na wantimi nya anumpo embe anka nti mo mayenhwe ya na mo nto yem wo mo ye wo mo edi ehia ye hu wo mo se wo mo paya asem na so odaka mu na obefa ye mpie nti na ye hura kare nipa no na ye ni ne ekọ ede eba na yehwe ya na mo nto mu eye esanse enye nipa wo hu no ne se o kresika no na wonim ye de wo ye edi enya eye ni sika ye ni abaya futuo anase ne story da betu edwa wo so adwentwa hu ene sen fa betu edwa na afutuo bi a wo mu no so ababi a wafa de film no fa ebetu comment section ho ewe ni die kwan so ene wo bo kwan so efa emai na emrepam no mekenkan ede amamo ekriska pa ene mi de sene ye besan edi ehia ebi makram